It's day number 50 of this backpacking journey, and I'm now in the city of Miri on the eastern side of Malaysian Borneo. So how am I celebrating day number 50 of my travels? I decided to have this morning a lie-in. I slept in till about 9 o'clock, which is very late for me. From then I decided to change hotel. The one I arrived in yesterday wasn't the best, so I changed it for somewhere that was better, and this is what it looks like. And it's minimalistic, it's clean, and more importantly, it's only £10 a night. So it's a bit better and a lot cheaper than the last one. And it's got a view. I decided that today was going to be a lazy day. I needed to recharge my batteries, and it has been raining, and in the last hour it is all dried up. It was torrential rain for about 3 or 4 hours, but now the sun is out. And the reason I came out on my day off to chill was I thought I would treat myself to a haircut, my first one in about a month and a half, and it only cost 15 ringgit, which is really cheap, so I'm quite happy. And then I thought, right, if I'm going to have a lazy day, I'm not going to go online and look at what I can see and what I can't do. Let's go to a tourist information office and let them decide. So I've come here, and this is the tourist office just there. Now, having a look around, there isn't many Westerners, so I'm not too sure if they're used to English people walking in. And it is a quite nice area. And my original plan was to leave tomorrow morning after going out all day today to explore. But I am going to be staying for another night. Right, let's have a wander in. Hi.
Hello.
That was one of the most helpful, informative tourist offices I have been to anywhere in the world. They were so knowledgeable about this place. They've given me a map. They've drew me a route to follow. They've given me history, legends, myths, and everything I need to know about going around this city. And I'm actually quite excited about tomorrow for when I go around. Now, this is only going to be a short video because it is a relaxing day for me. Oh, look at that. Discover Miri Sarawak. Now, Sarawak is the state of Sarawak where I am right now. And the hornbill, which is on that painting, the mural, is one of the places I will be going to for the conservation centre tomorrow. Very exciting. I'm really glad I've got an extra day here. They've also told me how to get buses to the next place and the timings. It's just been the best decision to go in there that I've made since I've arrived here. So yeah, I am going to go back to the hotel and chill, relax. I'm going to have a Netflix night. Now I have decided that as it's day number 50, I am traveling a little bit slower than what I should be, in that I should have been in Singapore right now, but I'm not. So I'm going to have to start moving a little bit quicker, otherwise this journey back to England could take about 2 or 3 years. And I sat down with a map last night and tried to work out where I'm going to go. For Malaysia, Borneo, I have got another 3 cities to go. I want to do that in 4 days. From there, I'm going to go over the border to the Indonesian side of Borneo. There's 2 cities I've got to see in 4 days. From there, I am going to go across over by ferry to the mainland of Java, of Indonesia, and head all the way up to Jakarta within 2 weeks. And then from there I've got an island to visit, and that is just below Singapore for a 3 or 4 days, and then straight into the mainland of Malaysia. Malaysia, I've got planned for 3 weeks to go into Thailand for 3 to 4 weeks, and then straight into Myanmar, which I'm hoping, once I've sorted out my visa, I'll be there for no more than 3 weeks. And that is as far as I've got, because I don't want to plan too far ahead. At the same time as planning, last night with a map, I also looked at my budget. My budget of £25 a day is not working out that well. So far in 50 days, it's roughly about £35 a day on average. And it's not been helped by the fact that I paid for a flight to go from the Philippines over here. That cost £200, which has brought up my budget a little bit more than it should have been. So I need to do a lot of cutbacks. Yay! And that'll be including 1 coffee a day, very cheap accommodation, and nothing too flash going about. Most of the things I do anyway is free, and the journey I'll be doing tomorrow around the city will be free as well. Oh look, there's another hornbill. That's pretty. So the cutbacks that I do will be personal stuff, like trying to cook for myself instead of cooking out, street food, that sort of thing. I really do like this city. One thing I have discovered about this city is that everyone is really friendly. Seahorse, the most livable resort city. Oh wow. So one of the things I was told in the tourist section was that the seahorse is the symbol of Miri, and that I will see a lot more of them over the next 24 hours. They love their little signs. So 119th anniversary, Miri City Day. And there's another seahorse. In the tourist information office, they did say that the western side does get more tourism than this side of the island, which is surprising because there is a lot of things. Well, there's a map, a lot of things to see on this side, not just in Miri, but further on up. was that a stadium? Or no, it's a car park. I was close. In the area where my hotel is, and it's called High Inn, there are lots of hotels, ranging from very expensive, like that one behind me, I can't afford that one, to very cheap ones where I'm staying, which is really nice. Yeah, one day when my budget starts going back up, then I might stay in there. So there is plenty of places to stay around here for all backpackers, travellers, tourists. And even though I've not done the tour yet of going around, this seems definitely a place to come down. And up there is somewhere else I'm going to be tomorrow. Canada Hill. They did recommend I get a taxi up there because it'll take about an hour to climb. But after my day of rest, after my good night's sleep that I'll have tonight, I'll have all the energy in the world for going up there. I've just been to the shop and to get my stuff for food tonight. So, show you the delights of me saving money. I've got some noodles, chicken flavoured. That'll do me just right. And I have just discovered, for the first time ever, over here, a drink, cappuccino, add hot water. So altogether this came to £8.50, which means I have saved money already. And this video is all about just to show you this is my 50th day of celebrating my travels so far. I have got so many days and months ahead, but tomorrow will be a fun day of travelling around this city. Now that I've got a map, I've done no research, but I don't have to because I know exactly where I'm going. But if you've enjoyed this video, you've just got to press that like button. If you want to subscribe to see the adventures that I have coming, because right now I'm outside the hotel, the High Inn, and I'm going to go and have a nice night of chilling with Netflix. So until the next time, bye bye for now.